By working directly in the field with a production line, as I explained earlier, you develop methods and tools. We also develop documentation, very simple operating procedures, visual aids, and capture knowledge. We're going to align information systems with analyses, and from there, all this knowledge that we capture, well, on the one hand, we're going to target vulnerabilities, we're going to tackle a lot of hidden costs at the line, so we're able to generate performance and profit directly. On the other hand, we're also going to alleviate the problem we're facing throughout the industry, staff turnover, erosion of knowledge by recording information, developing these aids and all this material, let's say, while keeping it very simple and understandable. By developing and capturing knowledge, we make new staff much more efficient, much faster, and here again we're going to avoid problems. We have staff who understand their machines better, fewer failures, less downtime, less losses, more performance. That's it.